Hello guys! Ngayong araw naman, ang aking ituturo sa inyo ay ang third law of radicals. And the third law of radicals is nth root of A divided by B. And to simplify, pwede nating paghiwalayin yung numerator and denominator, but make sure the index is the same. So, nth root of A divided by the nth root of B. So, reminders lang po ha. Dapat dito, B must not be equal to 0 or B is greater than 0. And, nakalimutan ko pala yung N. And upang mas maintindihan ninyo, let me give you an example. Number 1, cube root of 3 divided by 4k is equals to, when simplify, so katulad ng ginawa natin dun sa itaas, pwede nating i-break down yung fraction, yung ating radical na fraction. And the secret is, kailangan rationalize natin ang denominator. Ibig sabihin, maalis natin siya sa radical symbol. So, ito na, cube root of 3 divided by cube root of, ang 4 guys ay pwede natin isulat as 2 square. So cube root of 2 square k. Yan. To continue, kuha tayo ng isang piece of bond paper again. Okay? To continue guys, so let me write it again. Cube root of 3 divided by cube root of 2 square k times, so kanina sabi ko nga sa inyo, kailangan mag-isip tayo ng number to make the denominator a perfect nth root. So ilang to ang kailangan pa natin? Isa na lang, at ilang k? Dalawa. So ang ating multiplier ay cube root of 2k square, and whatever you multiply in the denominator should also be multiplied in the numerator. Kaya cube root of 2k square is being multiplied sa numerator. And as you can see, pareho na ng index. So we can multiply the radicand. Kaya 3 times 2k square is cube root of 6k square. And as you can see, cube root of 2 square k times cube root of 2k square, yan, is 2 cube root of 2 cube and k cube. Yan. Now, since ang numerator natin class ay not a perfect cube, kaya as is lang siya. Sulat lang natin si cube root of 6k square, and look at the denominator. Since they are perfect cube, yan, we can cancel the index and then the power. And that's the simplest form of number 1. So number 2 na, isulat ko na guys ahead of time. We have cube root of 3 divided by x raised to 4, x raised to 2y. Yan. The same procedure lang din ang gagawin natin. Okay, pwede rin natin siyang ganito isolve, Ayan. So we have cube root of 3 divided by x square y. So ilang x pa ang kailangan nating i-multiply and y. So since meron na tayong 2, isang x na lang, and may y na tayong 1, kaya y square o dalawang y na lang. So ang minultiply natin ay x, y square, both in numerator and the denominator. But the index is the same ha. Kailangan, wag niyong kalilimutan yung index ay yun pa din, ganun pa din. No? Sige. Katulad ng sinabi ko, ang kailangan lang ay maging perfect and truth yung denominator, or ang denominator dapat ay hindi radical o walang radical symbol. Hindi radical number. So let us continue. Cube root of cube root of 3 times xy square is 3xy square. Then, x square times x is x cube. Y times y square is y cube. Continue tayo. So, since ang ating numerator is not a perfect cube, as is lang siya. Sulat pa rin natin siya inside the radical symbol. So, we have cube root of 3xy square divided by, ang ating denominator ay pwedeng sulat as cube root of x cube y cube. So, pinaghiwalay ko lang siya ulit guys. Para mas maintindihan ninyo. Yan. Kanina nga, as I said, ang ating numerator is not a perfect square, which is cube root of 3xy square, while ang denominator natin is a perfect cube. So, kaya ang cube root of x cube is x and the cube root of y cube is y. Or, we can easily cancel out the index and the power. Ayan. Sana ay naintindihan ninyo yun, ha? Okay, for number 3 example, we have cube root of 8x cube divided by 4x square. So, again, ang ating objective is to make the denominator a perfect and truth. So, dapat ay maging perfect cube siya. Ayan. Pinaghiwalay lang ulit natin. We have cube root of 8x cube and then cube root of 4x squared, and 4 can be written as or the same as 2 square. Ayan. And then, i-bring down lang natin si x square. So, we have, since kailangan lang natin ng isang 2, kaya, and isang x, kaya ang ating multiplier ay cube root of 2x. Yun. So, pareho na ang ating mga end-root, ha. Huwag kalilimutan ang ating index. So, 8x cube times 2x is 16x raised to 4. And then, cube root of 2 square times 2 is 2 cube. And x square times x is x cube. Yan. Then, so, since ang 16 is factorable, wherein one of the factor is a perfect cube, and that is 8 times 2. And 8 times 2 can be written as 2 raised to 3. Ayan. And then, yung x raised to 4 is also factorable, which is x cube. And then, the other factor of 16 and x raised to 4 is 2x. Ayan. Susulat lang natin yun ulit, yung ating denominator, which is cube root of, or we can write it as, since pareho silang nakaraise sa 3, 2x raised to 3, or quantity 2x raised to 3. Yan. Let us now simplify. Cube root of 2 raised to 3 and x raised to 3 is 2x. Pwede na nating ilabas. Since ang 2x is not a perfect cube, isulat lang natin siya again doon sa radical symbol. And then, we can easily cancel out yan, the index and the power of the radicand. So, which is 2x. Matitira na lang ang 2x. 2x divided by 2x, or as you can see, the numerator and the denominator is the same. Meaning, it is equals to 1. Therefore, our simplest form is cube root of 2x. Yan. Or 1 cube root of 2x. That's the simplest form of number 3. Last na po natin itong example ha. Number 4. And number 4 is fourth root of x divided by 81y raised to 5. So, paghiwalayin lang natin. Fourth root of x divided by fourth root of 81y raised to 5. Now, kailangan ulit natin, class, na tatandaan ang ating main objective is to make the denominator a rational number or whole number or without radical symbol. So, since ang 81 is a perfect nth root or fourth root, si y raised to 5, ano ang i-multiply natin para maging perfect ang y raised to 5? So, yes, very good. It's y raised to 3. But then again, make sure that the index is the same. Yan. So, we have fourth root of x times fourth root of y raised to 3 is fourth root of xy cubed. And fourth root of 81 can be written as 3 raised to 4 and y raised to 8 can be written as y raised to 2 raised to 4. Yan. So, we have fourth root of x y cubed, and then fourth root of 3 raised to 4 is 3, while fourth root of y square raised to 4 is y square. Okay, so yan na po yung ating simplest form. I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share na din po kung pwede. Thank you. God bless to us. Enjoy watching my video.